with another ogbonge news. For wetin dey shele for Naija. Now wetin dey shele for Naija now we dey always dey talk. Now it don happen again for Onitsha. Na every day na they go dey use fire dey burn Onitsha. Na so the big market wey dey Onitsha. Na so they go dey use fire dey burn them one by one. This fire wey dey burn so, we no know who dey put them. The thing dey tire me. I go market go just dey like this, it go just start dey catch fire, and they go say security people dey there. Why as the light dey okay now? Una wey be say una be people wey get shop for market, una no fit buy better fire extinguisher or even do meeting, gather money together, put better water, better something wey dey take dey hold light, keep for shop for each market wey dey for Nigeria. No, una still do meeting, do this thing, because wetin dey vex me be say small light go start to dey burn. E go burn the whole village or e go burn the whole market. Why? Because they no get better thing wey dey take dey quench fire. Because how we say, even if not these security people wey dey there, na dem put the fire because of say maybe they don carry 1 or 2 money. Even if na they put the fire and other people wey dey outside go notice am, say the fire dey. If to say wetin dey take dey quench the fire dey, the fire no go burn go far. But now see am, wetin happen? See wetin happen for Amobi street for Onitsha. See as fire take burn people plastic for there, burn people market, finish people something for this hardship wey dey everywhere, wey even dey for na Nigeria own 9 wars pass. Because even for Europe here, government dey help people wey no get something, wey no dey work. E get particular money wey dey pay people wey no dey work. E get if even say na Europe here, e go say e go even better. For Nigeria now, those people wey their thing burn now, who go help them? Who go help them? Now this thing na dey bring so many death for Nigeria. We go dey talk say Fulani herdsmen dey kill people. They go dey talk, they go see dey talk say fire dey burn people. Because me know say as that fire burn, say person must die and people money go dey there. Many people property go finish. Last year fire burn, this year fire burn. If you no burn for this market for Nigeria, you go burn for the other market for Nigeria. Which people dey put this fire? Abi na Fulani herdsmen na dey put the fire, or the security people wey dey the market dey? Because I no see the reason why wey they go put security people fire go dey burn. They no go see way to quench the fire. Where they dey where the fire start? Abi they know they do their work well. Now wetin make I say, make I ask? Abi na they sleep where the fire start? Why the fire no burn kill them? They smart, they talk say they no fit quench the fire. As the fire starts small, they supposed to call all these people where they quench. I no even still blame them, because even if they call those people before they go come, they go even come, they no go see water. Before they go come, fire for don burn everything. Who do this thing for Nigeria? Who do Nigeria this thing? It better make we sell that country, make they share the money, give everybody. If you want, make you put here for Ghana. If you want, make you put here for anywhere where you like. Because that Nigeria, you know you're good at all. See as fire take burn people something. Ma just put the video, me on a watch am. Look am. Look as fire take burn people something. This young man wey dey so now, they talk say he wey house, he store where he pack something, say fire don burn and finish. Both the one wey he keep for shop, say fire don burn everything finish. Even the building self, everything. For wetin this young man go do? Wetin people wey these things for their thing go do? The other day he burn for Nnewi, the other day he burn for this one. Why did they burn? I be the reason this is say na only Igbo people side did they burn. Why Nigeria no love their self? And all this suffer when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they suffer now, but they get Biafra. Now even people from that Igbo land, now they go still come there against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Another person who I want follow talk now be that governor of Anambra State. put that man for me, put that wuli for me. You see am, look my back. Now this man be wuli Obiakpo. For me, I dey call am Obiakpo. So Wuli, where you dey? Where all this thing dey happen for Anambra? The other day they don't burn Newi. Now they don't burn plastic place so they sell market. For shop where they sell plastic, they don't burn am. And you dey there, you say you be governor, you dey govern the state well. You know if you provide people where they quench fire, you know if you provide them. What one they do for that Anambra? What one they do for them? What will be your work for them? This government. What will be your work? Because I don't see what you they do. What you say you do for Anambra? Abi you know even if you do even common thing where we say they will save life. Even I just climb that place, when I go just forget say na so like your life take dey sweet you, na so you still dey take dey sweet another person. See as our people take dey die. See as people take dey die for Nigeria every blessed day. All these stupid people where they call Fulani men, they go they kill innocent people every night and day. Fire go still they burn, they spoil people something. I don't talk. I say me when I say Nigeria, may everybody collect your money, waka go where you want go. Wuli Obiano still keep leave and no come out and leave Wuli Obiano for me. And they tell you, I hear say they like drink, and because me go know say all the money where they collect, you go use some. Go settle your family, use the rest, drink, carry woman. Because I know say now those women not be your work. May you still try help Anambra people. Because all this fire don't too much. If you tank enough for this thing go fall, they go say they bring light, fire start. That one na talk. How they go take bring light, fire go start catch. I be the security people don't go thief money. They don't go thief the money. They go see say maybe they will notice they go put fire. Me I don't know. Only God know. But only God now go fit save Igbo people. And my advice for you una be say, me una still help this man where they come as in the camp. Because if they talk of security, me as I see that man, what did that man get to do with Anambra people and with Igbo people? Now very great job. The man get good plan for Igbo people. And that the same Igbo people now then still they give that man sabo. Now then still they give that man pro. Because me know say if all the whole Igbo people join hands together, say that Biafra, we will get another one day. But some of them outside people, they will give them one small bribe where they will give them. They will start to misbehave. But this thing will happen for Onitsha. It touched me, really touched me. Now very bad thing. Every day by day. If people no die for year, they will die for there. If people no die for a year, they will die for there. What will be all this one? They want to kill Nigeria finish. So my people don't finish from my mouth.